So what do we have here? Ooh, carbon fiber lip. Ooh, some nice rims. Ooh, an X5M. Ooh, and this is a 2015 BMW X5M as of the M version, kind of like mine, M version. And what is this car here for? I kind of like the way how the car stands and the rims and everything. In the back, this is, it's not carbon fiber, but it looks kind of like it, but it's not. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good one. But what's the damage here? Where's the damage? What's going on here? It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's see how it's on the inside. Black on black. Oh man. Red interior. Nice. And we have a hoarder. Yep. We have a hoarder. Man, this is trashed. Garbage everywhere. Horrible. Race Jeep though. Yep. Nothing in the glove box. But I like this red interior. I do like it. I like it a lot. Let's see what we have in the back. Ooh, we have clothes. Man, look at this. It's trashed. But check this out. Boom. The race trip. Vroom, vroom. Yeah. Yep. Well, that's trashed, man. Like, there's how much garbage there is inside. It's unreal how people do that to their cars. It's unreal. See the trunk? Yeah. Man, I don't want to even touch this. Like, oh my gosh. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Let's see if it's gonna close. Yeah, it is close. Nice. Okay, on this side, I wish I can show you more on the inside, but yeah. Carbon fiber accent here. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. Look at it. It's pretty nice. I wonder why this car is here. It's like repossessed or what's the deal? Your key. It's a carbon fiber key. Yeah. Wow. Let's see if it's gonna start. Ooh. No control engine will not start. What? Okay. Let's do this. Touch it. Right there. Push the brake. Push the button. Maybe. Okay. Woo. Wow. Check engine light is on. Man, it smells like yeah. I mean, like, look at it. Oh man, it's trashed. Like, trashed, it's trashed. Oh, drivetrain malfunction. Maybe someone had a joyride. Oh my gosh. Yeah. See the engine. This is where the money are. Yeah, it's definitely something with the engine, seems like it. Maybe it's because of this guy right here. The chip. Man, it didn't start raining again. What can I say? Welcome to Seattle. Whoop whoop. And badge. Baby. It's awesome. But, other than that, I mean, looks pretty clean. Again, has a camera in the front. Camera on the side. Oh, can we access that? Let's see. Get some heat. Okay, cameras. Okay, I saw that. Oh wow. What? Front. Where's the rest of the cameras? Let's see. Maybe if I go in reverse. I don't know what you guys think. Radio and then reverse. But okay, reverse. But I don't see. Oh, I need to close the door. Okay, I don't care about that. Get it. Where is? There we go. Finally, we have all four corners. Wow, interesting. This is the 360 of the BMW. Actually, not that bad. Not that bad. And then park. So I don't know how we can park it. Hello. That's pretty good, I think. And let's put it in neutral and then shut it off. Huh. Interesting. Out of hold. I still don't see the park. Starts right up. Oh, it seems like it's struggling for some reason. But other than that, pretty nice sound. I wonder why this car's here. Let's do more research and see. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. And let me know how to put it in the park. Cause, right now, there you go. It's a pretty nice car. Let me see that. And the rings. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like video like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.